Hi, welcome to The Secret Yarnery. Today we are unboxing ice yarns. I'm so excited, don't even joke. I haven't received new ice yarns. I want to say all year, but my UPS driver is like, no, he was here in January. That's a long time. It feels like an entire year. Is it really dark here? So it is filthy. It's not like Corona, it is actually dirty. But because of Corona, I got my little painter gloves on and we're cleaning it. Now, it was opened yesterday morning. It cleared customs. So it is 4 p.m. the following day. So it has been sealed up and ready for a day. So I'm confident, that was dirty, look at that. International travel right there. I'm confident that the yarn itself will be fine because it's fabric, you know, textile. But the plastic and the plastic bags are still a problem. So outside is fine. Inside bags, we'll see what to do. Anyway, I'm keeping my gloves on for now. Maybe I'll clean my gloves. Okay, now, tape off. Haven't done this in so long. Oh, this might be awkward with gloves. We'll see. I might have to cut it or what? It looks cakey. Now, I don't know what's in here. This is all a mystery. This is just a little congratulatory from Ice Yarns that my mail is finally working. Ooh! Oh my goodness. And what is that gorgeousness? Hold on. Oh wow, there's purple. It matches my scissors. There's that color in there. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's the one I was even looking at. I was like, stop it. Okay, hold on. Oh! That is what we're looking at here. Okay, they're tipping out. Bag dirty, bye. Gloves, bye. Now I'll wash my hands after. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we're gonna start with the cakes. Do I have glasses? Oh, sorry. Do I have glasses? I'm just beating my microphone. No, I don't. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get glasses. Oh my goodness, hold on. They're just here. Oh, can I do it? Yep. That was a feat of strength. Making a list of all the things I have to clean. Everything I'm touching, I'm gonna wash, including my face. Okay, hold on. Cake's fluffy. Cake's fluffy. We're opening it, don't joke. Cake's fluffy. I was looking at this, I'm like, how? That is fluffy. Oh my goodness gracious. That is a chunky, fluffy cake. That is right up my alley. Hold on. Okay. One for you, one for me. There we go. Oh my gosh, can you see the colors in there? That is crazy. Okay, so this is called Cake's Fluffy. It is a number 6 bulky, 150 grams, 105 meters. It is 5% mohair and 95% premium acrylic. What? So it recommends a 7 to 8 millimeter needle. So you could use a 7 to 9 millimeter crochet hook. Can you see those beauties? That is great. That's actually a strand of yarn. That is gorgeous right there. Isn't it? Okay, so this is Cake's Fluffy. Is it soft? Yes. Am I rubbing it? No. I love it. We're gonna hang out. What day is it today? Tuesday. So Friday, you and me have a date. We have it is date night. Me and my yarn, 3 days. We can hang out freely. Okay, next. Check that. I saw this. This is one of their new yarns. I had it in my shopping cart. I'm like, calm down. Build up some general acrylics over there. You don't really need to go into these, fashion yarns straight off the bat. This is called Astoria, fuchsia brown. Another chunky yarn. Who was just being like, can you get some chunky yarn? I'm like, I will get chunky yarn for myself. Look at that. That is a chunky yarn. Isn't that gorge? I know we got to get in on it. Look. Ooh, that is pretty. Salmon and turquoise and blue. Okay, one for you. Boop. One for me. Now, it's called Astoria. 25% wool, 75% acrylic, 100 grams, 35 meters. It is a number 6 super bulky also. Recommends a 10 to 12 millimeter needle, so a 10 to 14 millimeter crochet hook. Look at that. That would make the most amazing cowl. That would make an amazing cowl. Is it really this dark in here? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go shower. I love you, I know. Oh my gosh. That is a gorgeous yarn. That is everything that fall yarn should be. It's like happy. It's happy and sensible. Oh my goodness. And how bulky, 100 grams, 35 meters. What? That is bulky. That would make a great scarf, shawl, cowl. You could do something super lacy and it would still turn out just amazing. Okay, I am just putting those right there. I really should have something here, shouldn't I? I gotta work on that. Okay, I have 2 more. Oh, this is nice. Oh, is this my Panda? This is Panda Duo. Panda Duo. Love it. I'll put links to all of these down below in the description box. I was looking at this also because I've been into my Panda. I've been Panda caking for quite a while now. And yeah, it's Panda. Oh, but it's different kind of Panda. Hence the Duo. It's almost like they thought about the name when they named it. All right, let me tell you what's different. There's 2. So, on that strand of yarn, you can see how it's all cabled in the center. I hope you can see how it's cabled in the center. So on one side, they have like a short color, and on the other, they have the long color. So this one is mostly gray with a short ivory. Oh, that's great. And Panda is just on the one side. Panda, it just has like the one color. Wow, that's fascinating. Don't make me reach my Panda. Okay, I'm gonna get my Panda because you have to see it, what I'm talking about here. Hold on. Okay, so Panda Duo, 2 sides of that cord. Panda Cakes, 1 side of that cord. So you get like twice as much Panda action with the Duo. You see that? So the pink is Panda Cakes. No, Cakes Panda. And the gray and ivory is Panda Duo. Wow, I'm into it. I really like it. Very soft. It feels the same. It doesn't feel like, you know, it's a rename. This is legit. This is good. So, oh yeah, I have to tell you about it. Okay, so 1 for you, 1 for me. So this is called Panda Duo. It is a number 6, super bulky, 100 grams, 50 meters, 100% microfiber, and it is ecru and gray for the colorway, which is nice to have it on the label, which is new. They usually don't have the color on the label. Where's my bag? Usually that you just have the color on the bottom of the bag. So that's new, and I like that. That's great. They call for a 8 millimeter to 10 millimeter needle, so you could use an 8 to 12 millimeter crochet hook. And it is wonderful. Just like Cake's Panda, but thicker. Who could not use a thicker, fuzzy yarn? That is genius right there. So love that. That's a thumbs up. That's an approved. And even the color, that's very sensible. That's like wearable. That is really nice. Almost faux fur-ish. Do you know what I mean? If you want to do like a faux fur something, this would be great to do that with. Such a nice yarn. So that is Panda Duo. Awesome. Okay, Cake's Panda. I still love Cake's Panda. I still love you. We're not breaking up. We're not breaking up. Last one. This was also, does he know my colors or what? Have I shopped there for a few years? I think so. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is Thor, orange and green shades. Get out. Also in my shopping cart, I'm also like, calm down, work on your acrylics. Like once you have your acrylics back up, branch out to the fashion, but like keep it simple. I was gonna order this. I love it. It's loving me back. We're having a moment. We're having a couple more. I know, Friday. We have to wait. Friday night, that's an important date night, okay? No, not just anything gets a Friday night. I'm Friday nighting with my ice yarns. Right? Tuesday night, Wednesday night. Yeah, Friday. Maybe Friday afternoon we'll cheat. Friday after lunch. That's fair. That's a compromise. Okay, so one for you, one for me. Check that out. See how chunky it is? That's nice. It's like a worsted. It's like a decent worsted. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Okay, I better tell you about it. It is called Thor, also my dog's name, loved him. 25% wool, 75% premium acrylic, 100 grams, 120 meters. It is a 5-weight yarn, recommended where are you at? Recommended a 6 to 7 millimeter needle, so you could use a 6 to 8 millimeter crochet hook. And yum! Can you see all that? That is like fall, but like happy. Right? Like you can still do winter, but you can still have some personality. You can still be like, oh yeah, I got some spring in me. I'm still happy. It looks dark from back here. It's not. Look at that. That would also be so great for like a capelet, a shawl, a wrap, a poncho. I would poncho this action straight. Is it that dark in here? Do I have to lean forward? What is even going on? This is the problem with afternoon sun. I could not wait. Literally, UPS left like 15 minutes ago. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, put it back in the bag, Krista, calm down. So these, I'll show you them again, just in the bags. I'll give you a little recap, and I'll put all the details down below. Oops, scratching my ear, gotta wash that. Thor, loving it. Panda Duo, very impressed, very impressed. This is gorgeous, and I love it. Astoria. And then the good old and impressive Cake's Fuzzy. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. This is what happens. You touch some new yarn, and you're like, what? I need 4 different cowls, 3 wraps, 2 beach cover-ups, and like a hood. You know what I mean? And like by 9 o'clock. There's so much to do. So if you have any questions about any of these yarns, or you've tried them and made something with them, let me know in the comments down below. Love to hear all about it, and have a super great day. We'll see you in the next video, and stay hooked. falling apart here, falling apart. All right, gloves on. Backwards. Gloves on with the thumb. There we go. And the thumb, okay. Okay, we're ready. Hi, what do I say? Exhausting. Oh my gosh, I waited all day. I stared at the gate. I was sitting there. The kids are like, are you watching? They're playing badminton. I'm like, because they were in front of the gate. I was just waiting for this. Was that right? Oh my gosh. Who is excited? I have to go shower. Who's excited? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. What was your favorite yarn? Okay, tell me that one in the comments down below. I don't even know. I don't even know. I love this Thor so much. I love the Cakes Fuzzy so much. I don't know, it's kind of like your kids. Who's your favorite? You can't see in front of them. Do you know what I mean? You're all my favorite. I love you all equally. I think I do. What one do I want to work with first? That, amazing. And this, amazing. And then Thor, and then and this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, what to do? I don't even know. Okay, I won't throw them on the ground. Okay, I gotta pack them up. I gotta go wash my hands. I gotta go wash my glasses, my face. I gotta go decontaminate. That was so worth it. I'm not even joking. That was so exciting. Oh my gosh. Stay hooked.